Hi, Tim Bigham back again this week for Traders Exclusive, and a wild week again to say the least, as the S&P's having a big update today. A couple days ago had the biggest up day in well over a year after that kind of vicious sell-off, and really based on kind of fears emanating out of Ebola, which all of a sudden we haven't heard a word about over the past couple of days. Certainly the terror attack in Canada, somewhat on everyone's mind, but economic numbers coming out pretty decently here in the U.S. Although we'll see how much that holds once the tapering ends. We're supposed to stop with kind of any more QE as far as this month. So it'll be interesting to see the market reaction once they kind of take the punch bowl away. Rumors that got really this rally going were that Europe will kind of, take the football and run with it from here on the free money parade. Certainly Japan looking at perhaps another round of that as well. So it may be the fact that the U.S. is done, but the rest of the world still tries to, goose the economy here. Otherwise, we got the VIX had its first time ever 10% down days in a row after that big spike up. That 1900 level held again on the S&Ps. Look for that technically as a floor. 2000 really to the upside. So those two kind of big numbers really are the trading range. We're kind of right in the middle of it here. So I'll be looking really to, from here on out, sell rallies, buy dips. I'm looking for big range, no change. Now that we're back at kind of a valuation that, although is not inexpensive, isn't that, very expensive sort of market. We're seeing stocks like Apple making new all-time highs. Facebook breaking out to 80. Alibaba got an upgrade today too as well. So a lot of these kind of internet names are starting to move higher here. A lot of the old names, Coca-Cola down big time, IBM down big time. So Warren Buffett got hurt on both of those as well. So we're seeing really technology and kind of, let's call it, the new momentum names grab the mantle here going forward. We'll see how far that valuation stretch can go. At some point I'll probably be looking to take a mean reversion trade on that. In essence, buying IBM, which has been trampled on, and selling Facebook, which is, off to the races here. So at some point, valuations do matter. I'll wait for the market to tell me when that is. Wait for IBM to put in some good footing and Facebook to put in a little bit of a top here. So really, I think it's more of a trader's market here with the free money coming off the table. That straight up rally, maybe staunched here as always. There are things out there that can, as we see, come up and bite us. I don't think the VIX will be breaking down, anytime soon to below that kind of $12 range, which has been the somewhat absolute floor here as well, given the fact we have that big debt overhang and still a lot of macro issues and certain geopolitical risks, ISIS, Ebola, and let's not forget Europe is really weakening as well. So until next week, this is Tim Bigham, and especially in this market environment, keep those position sizes in place and those stops going. Take care.